Hello, hello. Let's bring in a message for you today. What is on the agenda? Oh, interesting. We have a little bit of an awakening. Time to sit still, get in touch with yourself. Breathe, bring it through. What are you breathing from? You're breathing from the storm. Take a deep breath, let go of the dramas, walk away, let them. Yeah? Make it not yours. What else have you got? So breathe, move forward, walk away from the storm, because they're only jackasses. Really. They're just not even in your breathe. Not even in your illumination, your discovery. You know? If you allow them, they are. So stop. Stop allowing this storm. Stop allowing these silly people to be in your... Because you know what? Here we go. No strings attached. When you allow yourself to detach, when you allow yourself to separate, you allow yourself to be in stillness, and you allow yourself to be in peace. And this is where we all want to journey to, being in peace, being in stillness, allowing nothing to affect us. We're okay with the situation. We're okay with this because let them, it's their journey. Like the thing says, shh. Because you are creating no strings attached now. No strings attached. You are detaching and you're opening up and expanding and breathing into peace, awakening, breathing in truth, breathing in trust in the divine messages that are coming through. That is your message for today. Take it, run with it, and please listen to it and do it, because it's so easy to fall into the trap of the storms and the headaches and the negative energy, because you know what? Our subconscious mind is familiar with that. So please step away from the jackasses, move away from the storm, detach and move into the truth, the essence of awakening. Yeah, it's a bit slow today. What is it, Friday? Oh, I'm usually not on Fridays. I've got to hop onto my members. So I'm going to say goodbye now, because I am meant to be in my members. I've just gotten up. Or if you watch my reel, I've just gotten up a little bit crazy. But thank you very much for joining me, everybody. And I am late for my other guys in my membership, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. If you want a message, send me a message. Bye.